Delve into the universe's hidden patterns, from the Fibonacci sequence in galaxies to the harmonics of black hole vibrations. Join the quest to understand the universe's most fundamental forces, from gravity to dark energy and beyond. Help us reach 1 million subscribers. Let's investigate. In the summer of 1931, China faced an unprecedented natural calamity as torrential rains fell upon the nation, leading to the catastrophic floods that would become one of the deadliest disasters in history. The Yangtze, Yellow, and Huai rivers swelled alarmingly, engulfing vast areas and transforming vibrant cities into lakes of despair. As the waters rose, they devoured homes and shattered the dreams of countless families, leaving devastation in their wake and forever etching the summer into the collective memory of the nation. The scale of the floods was staggering, with estimates suggesting that over 4 million people were displaced and up to 2 million lives were lost. As rivers overflowed their banks, it wasn't just the physical impact that was felt. Entire ecosystems were disrupted, agriculture decimated, and diseases spread like wildfire among the fleeing population. The once thriving fields turned into marshlands, essentially wiping away sustenance for millions who relied on farming to survive. This ecological upheaval sowed seeds of despair as communities struggled to rebuild amidst the flooding chaos. Adding to the tragic nuances of this disaster were unexplained factors that magnified its severity. Climate anomalies, perhaps driven by changes in atmospheric patterns, lauded whispers of an angry Mother Nature. The confluence of factors such as excessive precipitation, poor river management, and deforestation compounded the risks. As the rain fell in relentless sheets, the dams struggled to hold back the deluge. Reports tell of protective measures failing just days before the catastrophe, leaving critical infrastructure vulnerable and communities exposed. It was a cruel twist as people watched helplessly, the threat looming larger by the hour. In the aftermath, relief efforts became an urgent necessity, but were clothed in bureaucratic challenges and a lack of resources, further complicating the recovery process. The floods tainted society with fear and uncertainty, yet they had also forged resilient spirits. Across the nation, survivors began the slow process of healing, witnessing the unyielding strength of humanity amidst adversity. The scars left by the flood served as a poignant reminder of nature's ferocity, calling for unity and proactive measures to ensure such devastation would never be repeated. Lessons learned from the 1931 floods transformed future approaches to disaster management, emphasizing the importance of preparedness and resilience in the face of unpredictable forces. The 1931 China floods, also known as the Yangtze-Huai River flood of 1931, was a devastating natural disaster that occurred in central China. Here are some key facts. Factors contributing to the disaster. Heavy rainfall, prolonged and intense rainfall in the Yangtze and Huai river basins. Siltation, excessive sedimentation in the rivers, reducing their capacities. Deforestation, widespread clearance of land for agriculture, increasing runoff. Lack of flood control measures, inadequate infrastructure and planning, unexplained factors. Unusual weather patterns. Some researchers suggest that climate anomalies, such as the 1930s North Atlantic Oscillation, may have played a role too. Seismic activity. Some studies hint at possible earthquake activity affecting the region's geology and water table consequences. Death toll, estimated 2 to 4 million fatalities, making it one of the deadliest natural disasters in history. Displacement, over 15 million people lost their homes. Economic devastation, extensive damage to crops, infrastructure and property, response and aftermath. International aid, relief efforts from countries like the United States, Japan, and the UK too. Government reforms. The disaster led to changes in China's flood control policies and infrastructure developments. Long-term impact. The flood influenced the development of China's water management and disaster prevention strategies. Lessons learned. Importance of flood control infrastructure. Need for integrated water resource management. The value of early warning systems and emergency preparedness. Remembering the 1931 China floods. Flood control technologies, innovative solutions, floodgates and barriers, 2 levees and dikes, 3 wetland restoration, 4 green infrastructure early warning systems. Advanced monitoring. The disaster serves as a reminder of the importance of preparedness, infrastructure, and sustainable environmental practices. If you're not subscribed, consider joining our channel for more content. Subscribe for more, be part of our journey to 1 million subscribe today.